What's up, beautiful people? So I welcome you all again to my 365 day of saving and investing the sum of 1000 every single day for 365 days. So today is day 164, and my friend, we've already added another 1000 using this platform called Cowrywise. Now, for you to get started with Cowrywise, once you click the link I am going to pin in our WhatsApp community group and you're done with the registration, this is going to be the interface you're going to see. Right now, when you look on the screen, you're going to see how much you've been able to accumulate using this particular platform called Cowrywise. I'm going to give you the tip that made me to stay consistent. Now, what is the tip? I had to automate my saving. Now, what do I mean by automating my saving? I did it in a way that this platform called Cowrywise is going to be debiting the sum of 1000 from my local bank account and then send it over to the platform without me lifting a finger. Another way that you could also stay consistent is that you have to watch the way you spend. You have to avoid impulse spending, right? Now, should in case you are seeing this video for the first time and then you feel you are too late to join this challenge, I want to let you know that it is never too late. Besides, I want you to start today, and I would want you to do something for me. I want you to click the subscription button of this video so that next time we are going to upload this kind of video, because we are going to be uploading this video every single day till 365 days, so you don't miss the next update, right? Go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you're always getting into this video, and I would want you to join our WhatsApp community group, because I am going to be leaving the link for you to join in the video description and as well as the comment section. So join the WhatsApp group and I'm going to be seeing you there. Now, in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to earn money for yourself, or more ways your money can be able to earn more money for you, or more ways you can earn money without spending any money, no capital, you see this video you are seeing on the screen, my friend. Yes, just this video you are seeing on the screen. Click on it and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning, okay? Keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, bye for now.